The Commodore's Day is an opportunity for any club members that like to take part to come along in any sort of boat, whether it be a dinghy, a keel boat, a rib, a cruiser, anything basically that floats and you can transport yourself to the venue. And the venue on this occasion is the Windermere Motorboat Racing Club. They've kindly allowed us to use their jetties down there, and we are hoping to sail as well as motor, but unfortunately today it's unlikely that there'll be much sailing taking place due to the light wind. Once we get there, we're going to get tied up. People are bringing their own picnics and food to barbecue, and there will be a bar provided by the Commodore and his wife.
I've been waiting for you. Come with your friends and show me something new. Hey, yeah, it's a hell of a time. This world's insane, but we gon' be alright. The door is open, my light is on. Blow up your speakers when the bass drop. I feel elated, everyone should. Let's show this party how we do. Some kind of ride. Just leave your worries on the other side. Come on, we got all that we need. Gonna make some noise while I am young and free. The sky is open, the stars are up. We got each other, and that's enough. Just feel elated, everyone should. Let's show the world what we can do.
Here we are at the Windermere Motorboat Racing Club on their foreshore. Barbecue brought down from the yacht club for club members to use. And as you can see, the party is in full flow. We've got 60 plus members down here and having a good time.
Get up.